Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
A device, generally used by carpenters, that holds things firmly together. Clinch. Fasten or fix with a clamp. Clamp the chair together until the glue has hardened. Impose or inflict forcefully. The military government clamped a curfew onto the capital.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.